Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Best Draw and I hope you will enjoy your stay or like today's drawing. If so, make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the like button, comment down below and share this on social media. That would be pretty cool, and let's get on with it. First things first, I'm going to say is I was trying to do a creepypasta story with this, but the story was kind of long, so I have to do something different. But I do want to ask, do you want me to do creepypasta stories with my drawings? Or would you prefer the speed drawings that I actually doing? So I'm asking you guys, what do you want? Comment down below your answers, and I'll probably try and explain a lot about this video and the idea behind this Bulbasaur, and yeah, and let's get on with it. A couple of weeks ago when we did the Pikachu drawing, and someone suggested me in the comments to do another one, so I did, and this week we are doing Bulbasaur. With Bulbasaur, I've changed a few things on it, and I do think it's a lot better than the Pikachu one as well, because that is more detailed, more graphic, and you name it. But I think I could have done a lot more better with the colouring. Also, I've learned some stuff with the colouring that I could use for future videos as well. The greys could help to darken the tone a bit, because if not, it will look more bright and it wouldn't go right with the theme that I am trying to do at the moment. So yeah, that's also a bonus thing that I've learned for the colouring, is that I should try to go for darker shades to make it more dark and spooky, creepy, and all your names, it kind of thing. Anyway, back to the video before I start rambling on. But also with this, I did look little difference is that I made Bulbasaur's top thing black. It is because what I'm trying to say is the bulb thingy on his back. I did it black because it is part of his theme. I thought it'd be something different, a lot more dark to Bulbasaur's character design that I did, and I thought it'd be a great idea. I thought it'd be a great idea to add it on, but I think it looked alright. But I think I should have kept it to green, not more, because more detail, more better. But that's alright. But I love the vines out of it. The vines look really cool. Made it look more dark and more really cool out of Bulbasaur. And yeah, also I love how where I blended the colouring pencils in to make it look more dark and creepy. Like, you won't see it now, but at the end of the video you will see how much it turns out. So I'm not spoiling a little bit more, so you have to wait videos, so make sure to stay tuned to the end to see the full result. If not, then you're just gonna watch me just doing line work and off colouring it in. Yeah, you want to see more than that, don't you? So carry on. I would really like to do a lot more like this. Not just Pokemon. I think I could like do other stuff as well. I mean, some Disney characters, some other things. I also want to create my own like creepypasta story with them, because as that what I want to do is like tell stories about it, creep you out. It's kind of like a mixture of my old channel where I did like ghosts and that, but besides with drawing. So that's what I want to do, and I hope you guys will like it as well. Cause yeah, and it's gonna get a lot more creepy and a lot more sinister. Yeah, but also at the time I don't know how to create a creepypasta. So if anyone got any tips or advice, I could create one. I'll probably do some research into. Like I said, I've got to do some research into it. I've also been watching other YouTubers as well, like doing this thing, but still haven't got a clue. Yeah. But I'll probably get there, and you'll probably see it in the future as well. Yeah, pretty much. Also, if you guys got anything you would like me to draw into, like anything creepy you want me to do, then comment down below. I will see to it, see which one I could do. At the moment, I don't know what to draw, so I'll probably just do a redraw of my stitch I did 3 years ago. Could do that, because that was like one of my first creepy kind of drawings, and it was really good. And I want to see how much I improve and how much I can do difference to Stitch with it as well. Would you guys like to see that, or would you like me to take on a different character? Then let me know, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure to stay safe out there and stay well. Peace and enjoy your day. See you next week. Peace.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각